Obwansu bw'omuguzi omurobiri okubwatya nigo bekirwe igoro y'emyaka 13 naigo abalinse y'emyaka eyo nigo balinse y'amorokereryo y'abaibuli Bia kegimo mwancho murigereria na bwigomo tigariri bwe geteseni kyona mbemo umuntu wahabweke gusikya Ndizi TV na Robwansu bwumugusi negitali gicinde gitali ke 24 icyo mutinyo gatano gatatu umwaka w'ikiri 2024 na ndi tokumbira naga twanyo rukide kangi isano na ibere kole ndege grasaleka no manyete ne baharaga higa mangana naro abere go ikakera kwanda guciana guciario abakonyora ne bahara ande ake kwanyori rugana alia kole ndembia tole kigima biemono andosia soberete margo baya bono bunere butambikira litukule Jumamosi Gutokera chinsa ibere gwika chinsa nyekya butuko no toso asomurubiryo abweke umurubiryo okorera mangana siasa nabo igo namagendero asorogonkuru wa gusi Kenya nabo igo ensengima alia agendrete biemono kigima kurtu ateganete wiki elia na inde goikabono wiki eye elinde torore na ngai Kenya ya ikire asorogonkuru wa gusi ngai ruwa ikire tokwanira alia tolengete anene mono igoro yorogonko ruwa gusi biemono kigima bono aseli tuko lia lero muno manyitigire Jumamosi nigo tokora akora mangana siasa toikatwa endasa mangana maya tomakurane tunde akabere tokora chinsa nye igoro galia elinde twagenda nyomba kubwa buli tangani twachagirde chinsa isatu twakora chinsa isano rero toguchaka chinsa ibere twakora chinsa nye ekyabo tuko iko bono mbia mono kigima cyuka chinsa isatu konya turamangana amaya omugeni mbo ateli tukulia rero no mweshimiwa Rachel Otundo mweshimiwa Rachel Otundo no mumanyete no murai kurosoro gonko rwogusi county ya Kisii no mumaete maiga asamatuka mange nabo na aligeti koligie kerogo Kyobo governor county ya Kisii abego koligia ekerogo osena abolete kerogo Kyobo women rep aige county ya Kisii kolende tijesana na inde asega siaya butambe nigare value munamanyete evalue no montoria ogotumika sa mangana yikibesa okurigererie gento getego nyene loni tatakwegwa nikibesa irenga na inde ngorigereria mangana yobolemo mangana ikindemire mtubinga bune bigo kono arige gango tebiara subo imige onye konye tomanyeti osenyeri litukulitanganira yao koigore TV ya Ndizi TV igobono yonere Rachel Otundo oikirga gemagoroba yabono tigamwariganie elinde tosoe asengambo yaito gemagoroba yabono mushimiwa intro ina begire mbiyere gose asana nago asiri
Sinali kwa wasiri
Davigo embega bia
anje kurukura Otundo
yes
na ndete kwa kamyamano
yes
ucharega asigata seni kya Ndizi TV
yes
awakira balibonsi tuna barabunga mbyamano ande mbyamano sokotegera na Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi
yes
ngete gotebanga asintagete asibwa rongyoka nalinga kirugo nali kuligia Kyobo governor
litangani
nali kuligia Kyobo governor kanyole mechando rani metiane kagurwa ngasiyunango kwa kagende kirugo Kyobo women lab
yes yeah
lakini wena achieto kuna chinga
kichaalire good
igonga nonye mwago jikombekera chikura go nago takurusiwo of timelines
okay
lakini wena achieto for political relevance
okay
nande mocha go tabanga muno yo gakuletwe to show you at least nje nakuletwe
yes
I was there and ready kuligichukura pakomwari otherwise nyintani olete setback you I was ready kuligichukura Kyobo governor pakomwari igo no ntebenga ne kero Kyobo women rep igo nje according to me kuligiringa chena rengo
okay abwe balete kero Kyobo governor
igo tali chiake chinanya olete ashukuru kiagira na rengororo just for a short time
okay mbia mono kigima bono kuruchukura chiera mwishimiwa miaka ya erange ebere oyino gote twasoete what have you been up to nkikwabere gokora ayebuna Rachel Otundo kuruchinga kichiri chikura chiarete nkikwabere gokora actively
umadi chikura nchiri raisi nishinkonguchire nande muna nchiri Rachel Otundo na yaeterete sana
yes
ekera na yaetera kama mange ekera ba mange it was not very easy because yarenge nkongu so bona nekera kwa arabuiru ukura agenda back to the drawing board
yes
kwagenda kwebanga kwaranga ngakingo kwararita ni kwara bwena kero kwa kuri ku bwena ande kwa manya kwebanga ngakiono uti kuchakananirita ngo ikiagara bago tabanga good planning is always success
good
igona kwa ni kwebanga ande lakini nende naonde turina abantu baito bagusiga tuko pamoja gotinda hasirapi naonde building the nation enjikonya gotemande where
asukunyara elinde kwanya gusukibosyo mbya muno kigima bono kurwa chinga kiechugo chaiga ebintu mbirenda harako buri bibire bitatu iga ekiara namangana siasa na inde na yere chotundo no murai kurusoro konkorwa gusi anene mono ngoro kanore na you are towering above other women in terms of outspeaking ngokwanole sana ko mono anene mangana ya governance ngokwanole mono emyaka yebire kurutwa chagete amangana yeji county na chesa kitu mutinyo nane chitali kichirim na bantu para ibara letu go chaiga turakone ji county ga ninkioro che not necessarily county ya Kisii no ne ya Nyamira kira na kiranga ga so far no roche magendrandi kero go compare ne entundeli ende ya etete
ekero nkoligereria ase myake yevere ntet kurata bali tangani siasa ya beri nyingi ese myake ibiri kubwa myake iria yarengi guchimangira negasi yakoliru tingonya koteba mona about how the other counties have worked lakini gasi yakoliru iri kunya harakoreka yakoliru lakini ntagete koteba negasi yakoliru buya na kwanire Kisii county ya maite
is mono ikiara na otolema
ase Kisii county injindo zinga stera korubuya igasi turanete maega compared na ninga ki weekend
maega
first term igonte to tabangi gasi ya kole too less because adjustment ya betenkong ikiagera litanga ninje muna understand it one square gasi igogo ja very fast ku understand gasi na kire ku understand bakoriye gasi aba akoriye gasi ba ku accept make them accept you get change is always resisted ekaba ku accepting then you move forward bona igavana itore ga kiete kabate mindset nga system ya lengo ya bata corruption gotinda kana nga ya bwat because there was corruption
of course
bona kaya about that mindset akari likero muntu akamara muntu linge corrupt so agachaka from that note kaya chaka from that note abantu abangi bakiringa ikiala tukunya kolega siabieka the people you must work with
nekman
bona kaya abantu ababiringa egasuka ya ko benko ikiala no twara abantu abanene bali kwa bikiri babona Kisii sikwa bekane chief officer rasma bako muntu ulio moke akole nene gas kila mtu anafanya kazi yake hiyo kazi inaonekana ngagete ngabuno problem ya chita that was the setback ya bete ya Kisii county kagira tukwirana magega pakega ikara onde chiba stego tumeka effectively chinde chera na back stego tumeka chitumike chonsi ono ntura raka sego korubera kinyega sinere enkero to ajino one ubira rusetugwe
yalinge
town and they could have a bad site and we say congratulations to the governor yana koltega sinki lakini gasi ende tera korwa gasi sai nane na kumeti bakamoniga njina koltega sin the civil service okoro transferred ku office kwanda to another office ikaransele kero geri giya ngorro watumia the same kere ngona giya ntuko change na ngero use this everything this we never had that thought na probably mundu na baranda ke kusina baranga all anything so igana na kumiri this time whereby governor ya sokre another governor uchire tingo chikara that office tingo chikora in that office so olengere inga no tanga ndembere stadium so you know that thought alone it was a thing ya ustwa bantu no bali ba kolega sina governor what is this governor uli olengo what is this happening ebi asali kabile ebyo berandinga sinywa because ekero ko be governor ikuli manager as a manager na manager but a leader nyibeke leader na manager so ko wangu manager ikira mune manager ikumanya ku manage human resource abantu bali bakolega sabarabu ikumanya ku manage umanye ku manage chibe sabuja natiko tumeka umanye ku manage ni chigasiri chiko korwa umanye ku combine ibintu byose na siasa umanye gusuka ku chibusyo I think abno watu atwalete problem ikagerega sigakoraki ikana magega igono nyembono bado na biranete mahega kera pick as such ikera no nyemboniga as we speak. Chisegnana chigacha, student deputy governor, here and there, those kind of things.
Okay.
Even previous a lot of problems. Ntagete kukwara na national government sakwirana. Ntu achagete tani se party ya Azimio itari thigete na matokeo. So na baro bakarairania chinga kimageka asokura kora maandamano here and there.
Yes.
And then from there we know na bia beta omomaete. And then from there nade tukona kuruabu nade to sa jensi nero
ya jite
nero njara sukina ruma ate metienyi ne bana mutienyi omana wane ebere yonsi yokira na uchara
which man ndete tura chaga se county ya Kisii rochi noni ryogo so ko ryobisi ogonya goteneni gwali stadium nanga yokobera aiga alafu siasa jindi jigasororo museneta ngo arochense malenge babunge mbaroro bali UDA mono bwa matembo alengo obya na Azimio. Ande yake igali Neri Foundation yembetu abegete ejyagerere pakumwa ko yukatatu totrarora kende na gusikende gyakoli rukere tangible enough.
It is not in atu abegete foundation yembe. But what I should tell our people eto ko chorum abarai tatu tie kuligere ringa nkumuru ayo ya pata kokora nchiba serenga bwata kotoa usenda agira tia bwata kotoa because osakuligere umura in terms ya kiria ko kwabono that is not the same thing ya kiria ko chikokora tatuligere umura ayo to muligere abarai abatene ne bonse babwate capacity yo ko manage chiba se chi billion chigo chacho babwate that capacity waligere past history yae wa understanding ki sabeire ati akoli management yae na ki asukirneke rugi ya beire compared to this ke wangu cake. That is what we should look at ikatoka chora barai in the first place.
Okay.
Ekega to orete buya then it's a good thing. And in the other whatever ekero waso ile kirugo once you have understood what is supposed to be done you improve okura able no weaknesses what you understand go improve on the weaknesses that are there.
Okay.
Come out go introduce your changes slowly abantu bale naye you must work as a team more teamwork. Yes,
Which miwo gobori kwa lengo governor.
Yes.
In the event kwa lengo governor.
Yes.
As a woman leader.
Yes.
Omu governor a county ya Kisii.
Yes.
Ne situation bono tukatoira nemaga poka to asumuna boga ambio bwe county obumboyo naye kwa so it immediately after omu governor uli akoreteki achiete with the mangana lira kote buno bukuru mimbro ghost workers nini ngai kwa go chakera ngi kwa go chakera gitangani what were you to do different
litangani amangana corruption litangani alikuwa understanding government ya rural ya chirisko nga tamu yabo yaelire manye kubolinga mbabekire na barabunda araba bapima ndaraba toraba wenga percentage ki ba ngakia abantu bakuba kwe legacy ki ba korteki ba tikarete and why muna ono nyotenga one of the legacies ba tilete maega legacy ya corruption imajiringa chitamu bere chitanga ni Kisii county corruption ya rampant. That one is known. Corruption he goes to workers is part of it. It's part of corruption is one of the bigger word who live in the beyonds one can corruption never understand where it is so that one can go so you gambi we also a teamwork and our colleagues as a friend also I'm mucha colleagues go check these things slowly and start introducing let us work.
Yes.
Then from there we check them slowly and slowly when you introduce changes ngora as you work with these people until come working and woman you think you are corrupt I have come here and they found you corrupt or I think you are umorolenga na bako kolega sana muegasi omote korangi gas what I want to look at is results. It is not about to blame say let me see the results ona tuarantira serikali yenye this is what we need to do now we go to a plan where are you going inki mutaketeko kora what are you doing for this country can I know what the manifesto yao ekero what now that they achieve so we go ahead sanga muna na chiteiga manifesto anene so this is what we need to do we mroje to improve what do you think we need to do to discuss muy bwane then you start working and move the county forward
as a team even dombire muno mugabana maite bona yiki bongo kia onta te ko hold muno mugabana ekera na ikwa bogole inje bona te ko hold muno mugabana kiwango kia uno mugabana na kinte te ekikende whatever it was afterthought
it was for political survival.
Thank you. But as a governor Osukurigereria ebintu bituka iga status ye county yaito ya Kisii in terms of Chibara, in terms of healthcare, in terms of Chichiro, in terms of amangana yabangina in general. Inki kwale ko improve waso iro obisi ikigara bono tango nayo ore gosuno yukatano gatatu as a women governors in Kenya kira already to bwate 7 no yo morusi turakini ekikambiro ngyara mutige toro yo 7 to bwate ango nayo no yo 8 in terms of ebintu infrastructure kinya gitari ekyo ebintu nebigo amache sewage and stuff ebintu inki kwale ko kora differently egere go kirekera kwa bire civil servant na indi to an extent yo kubulikira go kyumo governor igo gwepimire kwa renga noisa ine no bwate no nabantu kubisikora no ndiji kisikorete bantu bakokonye plus the money okonyora ku West Exchequer chigokonye naki tarirange levi yote nkiyora akore kera in any event bo chori bogo chana boko nyora kwa chori bo be governor
litangani litangani chibeka mocha chiri
yes 13 billion.
Yes.
13 billion kilo fiscal year.
Ikero mwaka.
Yeah.
So ase chigocha, chibe sinyingi sana. Bono wogo chori giringa ese county mna nachiri. What are the liabilities? Uri liabilities siro mna bono amadeni atara akanwa. Uri giringa expenses. Liabilities chonsi kuri giringa baka expenditure ngakire recurrent expenditure uri chime sahara. Chagen tugete uri giringa kishingana. Kwa me adura aligeri kuchimageka. Adura aligeri pastinga irenga bali kutumia for development.
Okay.
Kiagire percentage neronga at least 30% you can see for development. Already usimpa manage it to do that. Akonya manage it already what you are supposed to do. Ukati expenses, ukati corruption, lindo skubosibas nyingi chitoko cha development.
Okay.
Because the county chichachete meni liko konya development in the area.
Yes.
Oligeri kere sector a problem ebugate na sego korabia is a problem and where you can improve.
Okay.
When in health you look at the health sector. Any problem to atwale mwe ya mariogo or checking a marioga ngakitoko korana ninjira kiye turakole ilinda marioga ya ale nesinya gitari atuko nanda kora chigas burungi oligeri abakoriye gas ngibarombaroro abandi nkora kunabona nkora abone strike kinga kintambe sana healthcare workers oligeri what the problem is and what you can be able to do. So you look at all departments ya health.
Yes.
Oligeri all round oligeri mangana maternity services chiroro oligeri mangana beautification yose oligeri nero oligeri all these things and then from there you improve where you are supposed to improve. Asokora corruption here oligeri njera ngatiora kole okay that kind of corruption.
Okay.
Na ndio inshuenga mariogo na roro akogenda ne machine cross buchire chinga kitakire chiaro sibo.
Okay.
Oligeri that kogocho nyine chipara mo kuligeria oligeri nga ntiri chichire priority road because tari gasi ya gukora ebyeka. Remember ngantu kwata ba MCA.
Yes.
You are working with them. You have CECs, you are working with them. Na chief officers na bande that staff.
Yeah.
So oligeri nyine chipara what do we need?
Okay.
Ngakibono tora kole chipara chicheto chibora abantu bayikira chimarket gwangu. Oligeri at markets na bone governor ya bono yakora better asama ngane chimarket yakora better.
Oyo.
Ego yororo than ungwaye kiralengo.
Okay.
You go in various markets.
Na kiyo okay. Nabo ndo tata mwaeji maugaji. Mugaba na Simba okorire buya.
Market. This is market sirosyo. Otemi rujukia agro kugura chi market. You make it easier konya more revenue for the county.
That's good.
At the same time, kweguli ila batesi bakore biashara.
That's true.
One who konya abantu. One abantu na wao so ayi tsare there. Bagaka bantu those who want to do business. So, you go some of this chichire chumna chire.
Yeah.
Umayago cha uligilia mangane basari. Orolenga konyire ngachiko enana. I basari chi problem ya basari is really.
Yeah.
Ngiyeko ratoko tayonga abande bakonyora What is this
problem?
Supposed to get what? From there work out on these basaries. Oligio osirichi rupo cho siroro work out chibasari chuske uchusyo oligeri libono okra waligeri yamangane chibasaris wakutachiro choka kasine nyinge eroro oligeri ligori baka workers
yes
bako wakigasi morale yabonero nyetijo what are you supposed to do to motivate them
yes
how do you deal with ghost workers
yes
what check the genuine ghost workers you don't even have to announce that you can deal with it again ngona not this way where you want to use 2 billion we want to ata doing ghost workers but include wale company ikaya 10 billion I mean 10 million erusige ghost ngeba konye identifying the ghost workers they ended up identifying some people very tired, some of them very office, but they ghost workers. So at the end of the day, they didn't do a good job. We lost
the goal.
10 million. Tuanya ko weekend, tukaungu tubale we've never had. Tuanya ko tauna balenga watetu, ba butetu balenga. Nani balenga baroro. Ego staff audit.
Yes.
Is a very important thing. Ilinde tu waso tu redundant staff.
Okay.
O make sure kilo muntu asale, okote kasi yae.
Yeah.
Neti asio shita kenando ligere neke how do we deal n'abantu beto nabaru babe able to do it on each license kuligere yoli because number 1 you got to abantu beto bakole biashara.
Yes.
So you cannot come in yote ngati wana me ba mentally license kole kieke nganya ora chibesa chabwangu. The best no ko make sure ngaki chibesa chichiko collected chi license. What is the best way?
Okay.
To collect chibesa chichons cha taxi njiko sirira
amako y'abantu. Yes.
And then there are those who don't pay. How do you bring them in pole without hurting them because we want business to continue.
Okay.
Well, I want to think go encourage bantu banenga. No Monday will do command the following day
no settle no
ne wano Monday go mutum na wano Monday go do kabano mutinyi yokianda
yeah
you know yokianda
yokianda go so aba matukama ke wiki ama ya tigiri
wano go tinga ki mondo ya kanera ra bgatari bira
January
to
nyo January
to mo discourage kasi ni nchubo ngomba ko ngati chibesa nchipolete to mo discourage ya ka kokore biashara so we have to look for a way and create an environment that is good for business. Create an environment that is good for business and at the same time outside.
Okay.
National government. Is supposed to promised cancer center.
Yes.
So I believe that the president is going to do it with the governor.
Yes.
He said, some of these things,
okay.
There was something that was supposed to be opened there.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
Cancer center na inaro jomo gavana chieto kanyara oni bire kitambillo. Oh no, we don't.
Cancer center ni
okay.
There was something else healthy to get part of the university as supposed to be Kayat.
Okay.
I don't know what has happened.
So we
go work when you are a governor. Even if you are in the position, you must work with the national government. The constitution.
No, abakuru mungano mungao.
Mungano mungao ikokore gasi the national government.
Yes.
You are political ideals nechi ngao. Lakini when it comes to working for the people, ekana bantu mokore gasi na bamo. The same way mnabono kora babo mnabono Governor Gladys Wanga.
Yeah.
Collegacy Nabandi. Those collegacy haven't work with the national government. After you bago salia Korea party yabo, but at the same time, after you bago salia with working with the national government.
Okay.
One you're about benefit so much. But if you create that
NMT obegeji barriers ojo konyoranga watiga ireziko.
Watiga ire na bitu kwa kocha konyora tera bantu baino mbiri gocha.
Okay.
Lakini ende we hope this time. We hope unaona governor Mnabono president yachete na ODM wako tabanga muino bali lakini supported part of the government. So for that reason we believe at this time Simba is going to do much better than the way he has done before in terms yokonyora
ogokonyi kuruwe serikali ene
grants from the national government
biamono asa ekero toka ndeta mangana yi country before to tire ko chigoro and mono mutagete to kwandere igoro ya mangana ye women leadership mono ande to ligera ima mono kyogera to some extent mbaiko ya uchinga kichisa ine mwanchu muri kinga kichuna bo to ligera ujumbe yao wetra se namba yesimi obekire igoro abu na inde namba yo nebwate WhatsApp yero na bogulika yenda gali Facebook na artulikire mnabono ebsiba mungare ata tuko pamoja kurwa nyakwana gucha biamono kigima youtube.ororo buna Ndizi TV News Digital gendo ororo Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Facebook no otro Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube to na Ndizi TV News genda ororo na bokulire likuru ororo na boigo ase nambejo na bokutulikira na inde WhatsApp na bongora ujumbe yao elinde bono tunyale gukwana emaragoba yabono kero kwandikere ujumbe goikanyero ororo elinde aboigo kulikira se namba yesimi elinde togendere bosyo gukwana aso mangana ye employment ya Sigi County ne county yetu tukabwata umuchando sana ningo antogete nyomba gete kolika bintu mne biko okolika gaiga ayena gyora handle ngani how differently uranye handle as a governor
litangane sama ngani employment tubwate michando mengi sana tubwate litangane nepotism so kuna abantu bakuliko sina bayiri sina basani boka ibintu mne bimbiroro kina kigente problem nandere nene kabisa problem ni tubwate problem na bono employment ya some cadres na bono abanyabitali doctors kiri problem sana because na roche mne county yetu cha chali tuna ngurunga ki
2013
yongwae na roche nge problem na ro kiagara okonyora most of the time siba kulika nurses bali ka clinic officers lakini kwa nyanga bali kulika doctors I think bakobwa kibaza bacho kubakana yaba problem ene sana because that's a big blow to the doctors and that is why but no nje ko insisting nyendi yukubwa watu wa health commission ndinya koraki idili na mangana imisara na mangana ukulika na liyo turanyole qualified staff bale assessment target those are the problems that are there even though I'm going to differently it is good kulika abantu on merit
kiro muntu ngento kiriyo bwate ne level yao
on merit ikiagara employment is a big issue ona bana abacheni sibina balenge para even though what a problem na man employment there are some things in Jetari go by so well muna bono na ko ba even in the national government onyen TSC ditindo chirizo ni abantu batanga school mo school yumwalimu ngororo mo nganga school tegete subjects yao mo ga no to apply kurwo I really don't understand ikiagere kile kikiale three problem enene sana kanga bono bakote bali ukanga TSC abalimu bakolika abali yani chi principal kulika abalimu bali ba miseti atoma TSC kero atoma TSC na on TSC ya kulika students yani abali bali kulika yabatuma anywhere
and also
because you see your child kulika bali sawa usi and kulika bali muiso at the end of the day ekero moko in that kind of manner usikiara bono style ke ndrete no ke ndrete no bali ko tara bali ko kari ngambusi ko nyanga ali sawa na nyanga bali ko to kuliko bono definitely kuira na wachi kuliko
sei no kwachi kuliko sei no buanga ake
bono yamenye wika bono asto ikire no to ala tribalism makase employment it should not be there sina bali mbona ngaba ko posted else waki abone ntayu mwalimu osoma kisi primary osoma kisi high school akasoma
kisi university
no muri kisi
exposure yoke kobora
so I think ni ba kuri kurkutie siali bagenda spa the years iba etani miaka as subject ba kuna babo atwa wama yagwetana anga bantu kuri qualify merit anga ndu what this kind of
no na se county anabo kuri rina
it's supposed to be like that ikiagara both of you are qualified oyiga gachite earlier than you know chire kurmakega of course there are considerations zinga kina kwa lenga earlier what have you been doing
kunana
kwa nero okora
oikaransa yokai
okora kende ona akora tari proactive ona nena bora basikumo tuko oiro mapema se injari proactive so ulikona bututa ito tabia bandi so mtewanga that is the way it is supposed to be done elinde nani wa distribute kiantu kwa in this county we have 8 we have 9
constituencies yes a county
so nani chi ward in 45 so we can have distributing a kikoko di kamanta iko bali kire iko bali to ga nanga bali patanga ga bange the pura there for not giving them
no
this what they are for not giving them so if you go that way
by
merit akikora anyalo kwa kwanyiro omuntu omo osibabere bali abasani bawo that will be a small number it will be negligible
as compared na bali abange
so ko gananga na bayiri boka abasani bo kwanyora abantu bagenda interview ayo mari so qualified omuntu ba taken or not qualified nani problem ni ndineri nkorero asa mangana kibasa abantu bakoli bani baroro umuntu akoli guti promotion y'umnyoki gwanga atakora tikereza bwati umuntu ule karense also qualified over service for so long
uitabante mioyo
umuntu womoyo
no ukore mirimo ta ukora bien
so those are the things I think that is the way I think I will have done it because no need just na part civil service to go promoted by merit and to apply although these days to what the problem the national government should also look at. But the medical promoted by merit. Because complain every time. Abantu treated the same way. Abantu treated in the county, and that is wrong. So I think the best way to do these things is by merit. Alikuwa na nini miaka munda kollega hata siko kwa telescope babu ali kirugo kwangu kianse gari tanyora gasi nyolenga igari sikusa
bono ni kirugwa so obisi bono turaso obisi tubwate women governors bali batano na babere matuka maka idire mbali nke machako siali bakakuwa na lenda mangana abo na kirebuya bakamanya ko endosinga mu women rep county ya mugavana be county ya Kirinyaga Musubati and Waiguru ande yake kahutaka kokole ntunde ya etamu ya kabere na bakwanda kuboli obo buraibwense bakwana haine gati ali bakwana bono ntwe na noko choro mu bunge oyoro Musubati other than mu women rep nturayikeroro 2027 muna kiura device ya Kenya o civic education ire mnana kibara egwe egere to chagere none obo MC barabumba chora lakini namba nenke ora nyono yo moiga
mo the whole of Gusii Gusii county ya Nyamira we only have one uchiritu achakire the first time mtu abate oyo mo Gusii county and we got about 6 year to achakire the first time lakini more this time movie kororo and it is a shame
na kibono to kuchiko chaka tunyora Basubati abubale ababunge tumakonyora tutige kirukia bu women rep kero ndigo kebara kiaro obvious onde bwenzi kwenda no Musubati tumago no bu governor obu na kidojo kubutura nkinga itoko so goja
ingonde de goteba siasa ina to kuligia birigo to na silver plata ikirugo kirwanye and kwa kirwanirira kwa manya gocha kukenyora so bono ase se tumnale go tubata bangana culture ito amna to upbringing muna to ave morning kana na boka bale ngabo bakuliga of course there were a few women who really tried from the beginning ba mheshimiwa Catherine Nyamata others there are others who also became councillors bakaba
arome obeteme aga bosongo
na Claire
Omanga
Babu Grace Grace Mayor you know they were there
batembe sana
bakinga kiyo musongo kero musongo akitegeka mukuru chore tukabisa kurugusiye ngima urenge kansera no mukungu urenge it is unfortunate tinge kera basongo baruo aba Africa bachigoja abagusiye bakaranga nzete mukungu in this space let us be alone lakini ndio tunataka we have to fight on iyo ndio kiita bakungu usigia tuita kabisa iyo ntakam is resources okonya abangina bange mbabwati resources nonyina abasa abange mbabwati resources
nikimana
lakini abasa barabungocha bari babwati kokoboko bangina bari kubwati kokoboko abangina bagote bikero kintu kiroro bikero ku women rep nando gocha kuligeliyeki ina problem igocha yabororo problem ena ne sana
osikuligeli account ya Nakuru wangina na bangi sana baroro
noni ge iganya
Omabay
there are many women
baroro intungi totara kora Gusii na inde ningo na barai baitaba bale ikora Gusii ningo
that is what I'm explaining
please
na kinge na to explain ntale to kota bale tangani Gusii abantu bale problem is not the electorate generally giri chikura many times it is not the electorate abantu batangani bale problem nintu bali abakungu tokole kichikura toko kosulimo tuagoso
kwirina maya
endo ligo women rep twanga muna nchekera ngote endo ligo women rep kwanga ate wangu ino mwene ino mobe iyo kole kike ino all those kind of things bacha agote abantu na hatikiri kero kyabo bacha kiri gotorwanira it is not that watikiri kero yito no woba gatenga umongina se ko wikero umongina gari manager engiya especially ya resources very good manager ikiagara mama yate ngomongina yagwe side moja no mogaka muroje gasi
mongina gonye kunje jiragete I get it
so bona bagwa ke sabu ngomongina se koyego uchago to expose ngachibe se cha CDF kumena uchikanga niga mongino kote so much so bobwa koto because baligere examples from other counties barodera bangina bago choru several times bamiri udiam senkane abangina babo bara baba
na roba ko yonde mbacha na kiakoro buyu rosa buyu nere no alime
rosa buyu ere galenge woman rep kabe MP. This is the first time.
Yes.
But I'm talking about women who
Yes.
were born many times.
Yes.
Oyogo ka school ka boyugi siga.
Next.
Lilian
Gogo, yes.
Ba mili odiamba 7 times.
Chitunda ne chinyinge.
Gogo ne ya kabere. Ade ya kabere. Uliyo yaba no mama ta karuwa chedikane. Digi ma ka ko no president. Aba kuba cha wali rumba ko cha rimo. Eba ko cha several times. Some of them na bwana nani bachiri ko bachigabana. That's what I'm telling you.
Yes.
One ka singa chijigo bama tenga to ko choro mukungu. Abanda abachiri ko banyo buye mukungu. Omo usiyo ko banyo buye mukungu, uchira ko choro mukungu. Therefore we must stop these people. How do we do it? Bamanya ko ba mbere ko bwata ko bako. Kiasi asinga to bwata ko bako. Why do you want ko bwata ko bako? Number 1 no to bwata ko bako in networking.
Okay.
Assisted networking. Assisted in financial mobilization. Number 3, no to go to Koboko on your night ticket, a sepati and nene.
A give what happened?
Osa Kuligeria, a sepati and no sepati popular, Kureso Korwa. Osa Kuligeria, Abangava, Krasi,
yes,
or Muangaza.
Yes, independent. Yes.
They come from major
parties
or most popular political parties in the regions.
ODM, UDN.
Yes, ODM, UDN, such parties,
affiliate parties.
That is where they are coming from. And they have a godfather.
Okay.
Or a godmother.
A good example ni county ya Kisii ga mo women rep county ya Kisii litangani grate mete ataringe in a good organization titled akini kira so esentunde ya kabiri aso ase ensemo yo mugabana obono no mo senator diaria ngwaro jenga eweweria mo bwatra ndi menera akakora agaita
menyangi ikini when we are talking about kikwa kwana yero
women rep
ikini kiro kyo women rep onye kiro kyo women rep gyoka
goikogole boigo
goikoto kesepati meja.
Okay.
Kane kiro kyo MP no governor you also need to be in the major parties. One of the major parties is go to Syria. That is where the problem is. Mune njebona nalenge party ya UDA kuri governor ni tuanya retete tukayehonia
gusiga
nande nale ko yehonone se tarikone kamila used to do it.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day I was told mondo ne gachete
ukauruna
singing about the power, money and the title. Hanso kujare Chisko kama tikira hanaga mbugati uchisira chetu isenje baada watu boba mate muntu tara konyeria nusuti party onyo manyete ngai was nothing. There is no way I combat tangaga digona manyete the power and the influence that I had within Gusi lakini kinata to tanda to enda ntebega. The problem is major political parties. That is where the problem is.
Yeah.
You know the problem when
yeah.
And going forward, I believe that is going to be sorted out come Ojagara 2027.
Okay.
Why am I saying so? The political there was the political parties amendment bill.
Yes.
Yeah, 2022. Yeah, amended the kere party. Abantu bali kubeka ibirugo bakuri ibirugo. We observe 2/3 gender rule.
Kire kiama.
Yeah, it is 2022. Kire kiama we go kebeke abangina. Abangina third. Kire kiama. Ekero babe kikabiri yu. Kikataka getu make last time and bakagende court. Bakatewa chinga kine chinke. Kire bate chinke again they go observe bakakia sukia.
Baka 2027.
I am so happy because you think that is going to work. President Jekaracha Usi, Namuguana, Namuguru on several occasions, on the yelling in women governors, and Namugure Okotavanga, Lichikeri, via parties, will ensure that they have given women a 3% tickets.
Yes. Na kivono para ko implement e kiagara ntobwatenga exe kiama tete no diemo se UDO se Jubilee go sene via locally gaiga ditanga nikiro muntu na bwate uwezo yogo koraki use na bwate freedom yogo so kiama kiri atagete taibo ikine gente ketangani na kurwane rali bagagete na kiogade e patira jikoba ko implement ye lidenyore even a third of jabanta bwetakire ne kibara beke kibara kanenga constituency get basacha amba bolia basubati bolia
no
criteria kiroje bara hatumeke.
That is not the one.
Yeah.
Gatari eli tu that gender rule ya etirengo kwana. Any amendment bill na kwana.
Yes.
Gender rule tera eta bado. Ntura
nyikera.
Ntura te banki bata eto chikokora.
Yes.
Ini mangana nga bawo chikobeka bakungu that is not the way. Jigo na kwana mangana yo kobe candidate yani yo ko murwaniriri.
Okay.
That is what I was talking about.
Good.
What they are going to do is this. Then I looked at going to me example. Kia aba MP usiga.
Yeah.
Bole bilo gonki anda bale. Bire. So bona kero nyene party ya UDA for example. Ase ticket kianda ekuru chobo MP. 3.
Echienda za basubati. Okay.
Onye no DM ticket 3 bako bokungu.
Ase kiandeji.
Ase kiandeji. One of the smaller parties will depending on candidates balenga bogati. Wana very smaller party what the senate candidate ibe. One in that.
Baba ganena onyo omoyo na borobulendi.
So that is what is there.
Okay.
So one of that is possible.
Okay.
Ikiagara how possible is that? A ticket wakora one na lenge UDA but ke konga ticket bakama choko. So it's the same thing. So they will stop giving somebody a ticket via in this one bakora is more strong.
Okay.
Obara mwetu kumate bakuru ticket where they have candidates who are strong.
Okay.
Not all candidates are strong. Not all candidates in your party will be strong. So one so in the go tebya bakungu bali bakuru chikura omuranje etege kabetayari na soka sobonge ili ni muligi birugo mwebekita nane mo relevant tadi kuligi birugo se
ole igobosa
tege kwa ticket ayo manyane you have not fought for that space
engana nere kwa na buli tangani ngabasubati mbabu atie nibo egiye kogera baba disadvantaged okoraki gutini na ta good point bona muna muri isiko gaiga nkogana muri meeting chinyinge nkumura na muriga inki mwa kolere numna barai kwene kinga abasubati na barobu na bwate tukiaye gaige kega tebas nobody mo ni samutigerete na bwate no engari yaye ikere jikura no maete na chirichi nkonkwaburia matuka mangi ekiagera gochakobuguri gunoni go nkwate banga kai pati go chakonyora gwike konyora urasegete litangani etogena popularity no bwate no munu bamanye gusugumira ni ogende bono tubwati no ne besa tubwati no engari tubwati anything na kitura chiko konya basubati
tante ko tabaga na basaye abaro bago struggle the same way muna basubati lakini the thing is we kabubu kaboki.
Okay.
You cannot say tubwati kende pi oteni tukuligi chukura we go to ala clique ekora twala even if it means mobilize okora crowdfunding.
Yes.
Even if it means you mobilize funds umuntu naro tubwati kende lakini ubwato umunwa ubwate no bongo zara atumyo umunwa ino bongo kara ewe ticket ka bwato umunwa
kabate no bongo na baguta kuzo
na bale epo convince abantu ne party ya moire ticket party ya nenda beku support
nikman
umate party chine ne advantage abantu bakuchirwanirira number 1 guchagera 15% chikura che party number 2 ko kwa bale some resources okokorera gas ono ntwikira to bani party bikamna njana rigiri party singa tuwa utonota yona ko nana ko pesa ya party it is only kibese cyane na chiri friends and relatives bago njangera that's the only money I used party ne yosi ya konga simona siasa ntanya konga besa ndigo likura that is what has been happening so that ko tabanga bono ekubetereria because bora ya betereria ke bangina ko bali kichikura. So you go a weak person. To go the following. Mananke patiera ko
ne jego tego konyora. E bune te konyora sigete katia.
And you still have no following. So we can hire oteme in all ways we kaboki. You try your best. And mobilize even funds. You must believe in yourself.
Yes.
Nana bukonya believe in you. Yes. Other people will believe in you.
Yes.
Unabona njana struggle direga. Ngoja kuligichikura. Bana na igura bantu bamendu bako tebanga. Ile chibona ko mato leke ngo 2027. You know? Matego tigo talibia sana atumie. Otinda agenda wako na wangu saba.
Kweboka bokirie.
Kweboka bokwa na live okaboki. Batende na bono ngo chakora ngo komotinyi tora maliga. Tumoekero. You know if they make that decision, they'll give you even without money. Lakini boniga is an advantage to women. Ikire na women ngot ko kumole ticket then that means the party na wego cha kokonya because the parties understand
party sinchibwate influence
sinchibwate chibesa ango ko jakokonya na 15% chechikuru chakera anenchibwate chibesa iko that means na bochiko kokonya lakini bono na to lose a point I don't want to lose this focus I want to go to it again usiga iga I foresee a problem asabangina bagocha kuligwa acha kuligwa birugi babul yabangina wants people that kuligwa women rep every woman wants to go and look for the seat to go women rep
ningiye kogara oroche abatabuati capacity isaine
it is not capacity it is mentality abwate mindset mindset yerembe mindset ngeketoka kwa bitu yaba kugerera is according to me ikero kyo women rep is the hardest
kabisa kuligia
njobunandega is the hardest why do I say it's the hardest itangani konyara chikura chirigo chakera it's just saying it's very difficult kya kinu manyali bali munanji itangani banyali bali mbata to women rep ahuno go chakera
okay
bali mbata to women rep ya mbata
babu atege ndogete kone ndiko seba iru na
baba na mbata ke wano ende ngyo go chakoro
na inde ekiko go itagere
yotubu ati chirigo chakera ai go to kora
to you already
that is why when people tell me women rep ko wakani ngaki and tell me goes ndio where I'm coming from people are not interested
no women rep
so if you don't start friend kura just say no stay watch
abantu banga go kabara tangani getonga imeiga gitangani yes
so that is it and go understand that is what it is so it is very difficult
okay
number 2 ikero women rep ikeko na team asibanje to mugaba nese team they care about a governor they don't care about anybody else they don't care about who is there they don't care about the woman who is there but they go manangaki what is there in the world care about is the governor if they are going to give governor so and so ekere team yae ekere na nini lionse kirogia women
and ngokwana byo mugabana
women yaputoro jesica kwa nojibe and they even don't care they even don't talk about it
ogobeka ikwanyora lino kira na kwa bikira
wanaweka tu that is it so they don't take it seriously sekiro kibo women rep ebangira baba manyeti that is the hardest seat
Mheshimiwa 2027 no kaligiti
yes
taiba
yes I will
ekero go kuligi ninkere 2027 let's say obo women rep obo governor
women rep tin kuligi
okay
kero go kuligi pi no women rep litangani bantu basi tubanyali bali
mbatageti
bagutaka ko kero women rep
no
tin kuligi kero women rep
okay obo bunge
ekero go kuligi I don't want to say this time asingenjo na gura bantu baitu bagoteba this time I don't know which seat. They have not told me which seat.
But we come on,
don't make a mistake not listening to the people. Also, when you are now I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
When you listen to about Charles in China, I want to carry you governor. And they were ready to
yes.
I can't at the end of a senator. Those votes.
Yeah.
So I don't want to go that direction. Going to that I take my time.
Or study.
Study the political experience. Experience is the best teacher. Then my people will guide me.
Na yuwana wani. Lakini to kwa niki maene mheshimiwa. Akero kuligiriria aigasoro konkurwa gusi ODM mbabwate kwende kinamba kigoro. Kero kuligeria ODM na UDA so far kero go pima none kero jukura chiage to 2022 na kuligeria na ODM yabuete UDA taibo in terms of chiji number chiji kura 2020 to komanya 2027 na kicho kabakira ntubwate around 2-3 years kurugaiga bono ya bire yemo ekera yogote makuligeria dynamics yechi bono goikoma ito chake koranga yo UDA bado gotigara hose no ODM ogoche enseme ya ODM ekere ODM na Azimio
ODM was a UDA there are also others that are coming
yes
we can decide even though we want to have our own party usiga atuchakora gusiga party yetu mno gusiga
lakini don't to kuligina affiliation ya nga yera so egoje
affiliation ya ne sera so egoje I wouldn't tell
asebon
I want to listen to my people. What do my people have? We have to discuss
okay.
Nande kusiya anene mono bantu bali kuligiri mo know about the party. It is about the team.
Okay, a team
governor is what team? Who do they want?
Okay.
As a governor and what team? That is one thing. And then number 2, you know, MP they really don't care much. To go to 2022, what the confusion are. To a challenge because provincial administration, pamoja na security,
okay.
They messed
so much
kura cha 2022 ikiagera bono abasigari they are overwhelmed abantu abachichivu na kiango into one direction. That is how we lost this thing.
Okay.
That is what changed. Style mugusi
alikolengereria.
Okay. So 2027 is not going to be the same way.
Okay.
So even if ODM got Chikura, so it's about an upper hand because of that security status.
Yeah.
I mean apparatus,
right.
na provincial administration apparatus, which they don't have,
okay,
or which they may have or not have for 2027.
Yes.
So the things may not be the same. These numbers may not be the same. It will that because it also depends.
Yes.
Pake president ali wazikura chinyinge akabuye governor kalenge UTA, which means they did not like the candidate.
Okay.
Otherwise kange candidate would have gotten more votes than the president.
Ntadentigrabu turatigrabu okay gatokenda somutumuko bwa mangana magia tumeni kwerna kigima mungwano kurukwanga nere Jeria Kerubo ataba from Manama Bahrain Kingdom all the way to Kisii County inere county ya Yegaiga Aigesi county ya Kisii mbia mono kigima John Kebatialo honorable Rejo Tundo count me in oya kurukwana era Chris Arogo kurwa Bogusero agatebanga mbia mono tumo count in asomurubiryo ubeke umbu mwa cyumurigeria kendra gutuma chini ngo somande akero twiranire ese ntunde ya kabiri gatande studio ya kabiri moino ngi aliga ningole tra mangana magia akero mushimi wago kiriga igamna to gukora mangana magia kiteka nkeigo elinde tuma ko andre ntunde ya kabiri tukore chinsenye igorogab gobono tobasa ko gendare.
Supermarket ya Kisii Mart bono nigo bachakiro murubiryo bwoko ni ebintu ki wholesale buna maguta yo karangira chinyeni obosye bwokuruga chi diapers ne chi tissue chi sabuni body oils ebinywegwa esukari ebikoroto n'ebintu binde binge naboigo nkoni abalichianga chinyange chi bag chi carpet ebitanda emeito ne chi pillowcase chimesa n'ebirugo office furniture ebintu byogutumeka jikoni buna cookers, table burners, toaster ovens na microwaves, chi dispenser, cordless kettle, washing machines n'ebintu binde binge no bali miyo muchukisi opposite Kwanza Place ebare kogenda daraja mbili Kisii Mart Supermarket, the only man saver in town. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Buya kigimo mwancho murigelia bo television ya Ndizi TV ndo chechekire chinsa iseto igoro ejire chinsa chiro gongoro Afrika ya mochambia mono kigima ndosi ya soberete emargoba eye ya boniga maiga yentunde tangani yomurubiryo bweke umbu no mweshimiwa Recho Otundo oitwa bere tokogoso ligaiga nigona inde tokanda sentunde ya kabere turaso samangana amaijali tangani tomanyegoso a sentunda ya kabere bia mono kigima inchini gonkoro kwa John Kebati na kurensemo ya kabere nigo tole nere Abigail Nyanchama lero gendete kubwatorokalia ruo gosuka busyo mangana majani go tugo yachaka kurwa se county ya Nyamira asaba kia matobori kurwa ase county yo bono baganirie serikali ye county yo ko babwatisya elio kwenekia buna nigo ebara beba kusuka busyo bagukwana negete senieke baganirie serikali yo kwiri bitambukero yuko basira enchira yeyemo gose eyende elio kwenekia nga bakinire Mosokito Polikapokara kurase county ya Nyamira na botoroboti oruo asenjira yobikirano.
Obwaki bwa matobori asemya Kemenge miyorogongo rwa Gusii nigo bwagendere ko babuko bakonya abange asubwaga kibwa magacho imiye county ya Nyamira asekirubeke gakemanyekana tebuna sirunga matobori nigagendere ko bagagwa kwa segeka egetambe
aliyo talia ne ngoro okondo ninje chama ni yekerugia sironga sa matobori gwakwa nje nara kira matobori emyaka 20 amatobori ekeronya getebuya ngogokonya
amatobori ayekero tokorigereria abeire gakoimukie kaunti yetu ya Nyamira ikiera bantu baitu na muise korigereria Nyamira ababatarire tauni ya Nyamira na bomokorana matobori naragachitongo
nime yechinseme chiga asetokomere namo nabaki abaiga amatobori bagendrete n'imirimo yabo yakira rituko abangi babo niko baerenga emirimo yengo banyekorire emyaka emenge kurinde emicando yokabuna bakwerera
nanda setogosambira mansa ali amasakarari yani asama amatobori buna tobekitani mamasara ndo togutubira embure yego yatwa abibato bitumana sana nechi paranjira ari moina aria afeti gari kigo ere kigo ko matobori osange nge kigo ya kwama na wajire para itene ine njibuga atigasi kigo kora na matobori twasambire malika ari moina bone to sininga kitoko lechi
nigo bono baburia baraikurwa sorgongoruiga anene imiye kaunti ya Nyamira kwani kibuna ngoro ishabale chibali chira bakonye balia baraje kugora matobori kurwase bagwakira konyora ubororo bwoko ya somba
yo minto nyarigo tigate makurigeria nsemo yechipara na tutosokeriri tobori eri tokonyera abana twekonyere singi njubu kimutu abugakongire
kigari ngoro gete kubura matobori ikanso no yari kuminyoka twaya yana Joseph abandire twa sande kaunti epare chisari tubona antabako matobori mbari kutochai banone mugaba no itachaiga ari gero ni twa sato chengera ari kaunti chikobora chipano ne chero ntwanya kubeka twasambira matobori ndoka ntwairani
nigo boigo bayamuchire serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira asogotumeka chiblock echo bakorusha kurwisi ko yorogongorwe kaunti ya Nyamira lika lyokobasira abaiga bagwaka matobori asokwa gachama gacho elio banyorere kende
project nyingi jiko ko Nyamira togorama gena kurusi kurisi ko rukida kazi wako ranga matobori se itaiga mono tali komenta ko na kurukida ebutiere go senta shillings neri tobori yo tokone siringi ko neri ga kurukida wango chongure neri tobori direct wichukwaga yeke ndora kwa advice awa viongozi wa Nyamira county murigererie nga resource ya matobori neri wanta kuratumeka kubwakanda kweta magana kurukida
bono niko baganire serikali ya kaunti bego kubasira elio kwenyorera emeture yo baratumeka gutuba amatobori yayiga enyorekane nga chinga gichimbura mangabo nigagosalika
mobe muko babwatisi mobakonye na bono mbatageta magana yemetura na ebintu binde bagotumia egere na ndimo badi baisi none size babwenete gwaka elia murata gagara mwatogoli mwagajiri jobisi chirikipwaga Nyamira
nonye nabo niko bali na ekibakwegokeria egikogera asegeka kimyaka wetane 20 litabali liga niko ligendete gukina ligori kurende tirikera ligori lya baroboka abanyene batagete elio lirabakonye
kinuna nyasaka romuya embura ya tura sinyire gwageka ligori lya matobori lya chire yaikire chisiringi 10 mota ikopingana nyasaye naendere gotokonya litabori litenenere 15 nabo tokonyore ki tokonyera aba
tutakere na ntuli tobori mentally goria kurusiringi komirike no 20
nogo semeria nga litobori liga nimireme yiga emekongune chikunyara kwa bagekuriyerirwa mu serikali ya county ijorekanenga nigo yagendere ko bagekurika bange gendukira hali balibi obolemeru bwemirimo nabo igo kenyara ko bagekwane kibuna ogo
kitonyore na intwa egento tokwira bana isukuru aina ala matore gotokonya twani ore egento togotumika nyumba na abana baitu bande isukuru
ginko reporteri getasene kya obwanjete kya Ndizi TV urugega ahase account ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp okara
mono kigimo moncho morigelia gotikana no roboti urugo kurwa se Polycarp okara nigo tugoska gojibusyo osia sorboti erundel ekiombe kyaboro kiwa osekiaboro kia bioboro kiwa bakoro bakurwa se county ya Nyamira na buge county ya Kisii nigo bono obarigania chinkwana gusigi karo ase barenekere kanene egioko rigia chinjera ejoji gutira chisemi ime yorogongoro rwagusie korengana na barobo nigo batebire buna nigo osebakora wanu munakero bwe kyombe ekyo omuske Professor Henry Onderi nigo bono baru koboria gucheze serikali kobwato kachibe sabuanko eliosira chi university magaga yokurwa uguchika buna chi university chanchere aborokiwa bonsi nagosaba aborokiwa gutwara chinkwana elio guchakwane kya buna chisemi ngo chekogendera chirebusyo asenchera erendonge kigima.
Formed a group that is a welfare group to make sure that we have the interests of each other at heart. This group has been intact. There is a larger group of KU 1990 that covers the entire the entire country, but then we have a chapter of Kisii and Nyamira. We are urging the parents and the children to hasten and make sure they have filled in those forms of appeal within that period so that they are assisted. Number two, we are again advising that let parents approach those who understand what the forms are, not anybody else.
We are concerned, and I'm talking with the professors in this group. We can contribute and help the government to overcome some of these challenges, and that in future, like now we have these students in high school, as they prepare to join universities, when they get to Form 4, they can start collecting this information at the school. You see, like a mistake was made, you can find an orphan who has gone to Alliance High School, a national school, but this orphan has been sponsored by the uncles and the academics professors, and what we call a wage that makes them to survive. So if it is not implemented, it's a challenge, but I want to urge the unions to negotiate, continue talking, because we don't want our students to be disadvantaged by the strike.
So my appeal is to expedite the process of limiting monies to the universities.
Uya kigima mwencho murili akero togendrete busyo na mangana ya senjira yubikiranu yichisise to echirmo rohba yabono mubunge we constituency ya West Mugirango muske Steven Mugaka ni gobono alwoko bolya gutiasa serikali ko bikemero bilime kiranu elinde ko rekebuna ni gochisemi ekirachie koba echigo toka gutiase abana abo bono baguchakonyora libagelyo boigo nigo amucha omurubelyo omoya obwokwana na chibesa guchia asaborokiwa ebechi college na Bogoni University asabolire serikali koligia obosemia na gukora amaunchorio ayoragere aborokiwa bwo banyore chibesa na kugendera negisemi chabo busyo.
Will be urging the CS that even before we deal with the implementation of this model, we must capacitate the constituency bursary or education committees to be the center where applicants will be assisted to put the correct data that will put them in their correct band. And I don't know why we are still banding people using a module that is not fully participatory. If I were the advisor of those who tell government how to fund education, this country is old enough to afford free education for every child, so that every child gets out qualified, start working and start paying taxes to their universities and colleges they have been admitted to. And if they get any challenges, chukua namba yangu ya simu kama mjumbe wenu na managers wangu wote, piga simu, tutakuja huko to deal na hali yenu. On the consolidation of the multiplicity of bursaries that are being distributed at every point, this is a very important point to discuss. If the ultimate decision is to consolidate all that money, remit it to all our institutions, so that every Kenyan child goes to school, goes to colleges and universities on full scholarship and very little higher education loan, if we must give. So that the more children we roll into the job market, the more tax base we are creating for this republic, as long as this is exclusively for Kenyans, because this is what happens in the Western countries. Children of Western countries don't pay fees. It is only foreign.
Chinga kichomo akiri Dunstan Omari nigo abasegetire abagusi eliokwe nekia na bagokolora na mbachie gutwara oyo mobo oyura chikuruanira ekirogo kyobura ibwense ekero bacholyo bane nebora kolekane umwaka bwikiri bwibere nemero ngibere na isano na ibere
a consolidatory banyorana no muchumbo West Mugirango ande to igwana nirena next year na ande na litogo chaga togendrera kurwanirira umwana mugusi. So in summary, our concern is to raise the standard of education both in West Mugirango, in Nyamira County and in Kisii County. This is the group. Remember, one of our members is Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i. He's a member of this group. He knows what is going on. We are not saying that we are lobbying to put him as a presidential candidate. But if it shall be, you'll remember I'm pushing for the Kisii community to have its own one or their own at the ballot. And we will not disown our classmates. Take note and watch this space. Thank you.
Gotigana na yo manchwa omoligeria nigo togosuka abusio gocha soroboti ronde muraibwense omuske William Ruto negate yabageni bande abange abubikirana ase county ya Nandi ase kirenka kyo gochakya emerobelio ya magendero gukwana karense meyo nigatebiruna na chie gukinia ekerengo kyo boncholi ensemeyo boigo neiga alieira yogo chagusira abalemi ekorwa ensemeyo elio kweneke bune sector yole minero ngokinere na boigo ligo lidio bwoyo na relio ndichigo keigwa kegima mosagito Frida Kirbo na batoroboti oruo asenjere yubikiranu
egati ababwatani korwa serikali nigo baikirana ase chiro Yakobo Joy iliogo sioria amagendero okwana omuraibense Dr. William Ruto nigo abanekelia bonchelia kobeka cold room iliyokwanekebuna ebimeli byabo mbirigo chego salika.
Tunataka hapa kwa hii soko yenu hii, hapo tutaweka cold room. Ndio nyanya yenu na mboga yenu isiharibike. Unauza ikifika jioni unaweka kwa cold room, kesho ukifika ni mzuri kama vile uliwacha jana. Tunaelewana? Hapa tutakuwa na storage, mahali ya kuweka mazao yenu. Hapa vile vile tutaanza kupanga mambo ya value addition. Ndio pesa ya kilimo iweze kuongezeka na wakulima waweke pesa nyingi katika mfuko yao, na vile vile chakula ambayo tunazalisha shambani isifike hapa na iharibike ituletee hasara.
Nonya nabo nigo abamenyi bense meyo bagokera egetambukiro kyo asibane kebuna nigo babeire bakwebwa asegeka kolende nigo bagania amache nabo igo estima kobekwa elio kwegendelia.
Na tunataka kusema ile Keben Dam yenye unatengeneza pale Nandi Hills, tunashukuru kwa sababu hiyo maji itakuja paka Kaptumo. So hiyo mambo yote ikifanyika, wamama wetu hawataenda kwa mtoni tena. Na especially hii market yetu inataka maji kwa haraka, kwa sababu by October contractor atakuwa amemaliza kazi. Tunataka saa ile wamama wanakuja sokoni, maji inatembea sokoni. Si ni kweli wananchi? Na Aldai imekuwa chini sana kwa mambo ya maendeleo, na tumeshukuru kwa sababu umeleta mambo ya stima hapa. Stima yetu as we speak we are at 27% connectivity. Na hii programs zenye tuko nayo ya 336 million inaenda kuconnect over 7,000 homes. Hiyo tunakuambia mheshimiwa, asante sana.
Chingaki cho boigo ni goruto anekia kobeka chibese chiseine ense mo ase sector yobolemi ilikoenekebuna abalemi nkonyara bale obwoyo bweligolire ense kigima na boigo konyora ligesa ligia.
Tumeweka pesa ya kutosha kwa mambo ya mbolea, na nilikubaliana na huyu gavana wenu ya kwamba mbolea ipatikane hapa kwa Bujoi ya watu wa sehemu hii. Store iwe hapa, Mbolea tumepunguza kutoka ile bei ilikuweko karibu 7,000 saa hii 2,500. Budget tumeweka katika mwaka huu tena. Mimi nawahakikishia wakulima wote wa Kenya ya kwamba bei ya mbolea haiwezi kupanda tena. Bei ya mbolea itabaki 2,500, ndio tusaidie wakulima wote wa mahindi, wa kahawa, wa chai, wa miwa, mimea ile zingine zote, ndio tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba tunapanua production ama tunapanua uzalishaji, ndio tuwe na chakula ya kutosha, gharama ipungue, ndio tuweze kusonga mbele sisi wote.
Umugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo nigagokera obomo bwene kirigwe asense ya Kenya. Oboigo ni goruto okoboko engane yo asene kiachi tofauti chabo nigo chabere chikobekwa ensemo asobu ya bwense.
Lakini kwa sasa ile kitu muhimu na lazima tujue, hata tuwe na vyama vingi, Kenya is one indivisible nation. Kenya is one country and is a country of one people.
There comes a time in the life of a nation when the unity of the nation, the progress of Kenya, the transformation of our nation is much more important than any other political persuasion, political sides, political formation, or any community or any other interest. It is even beyond the personal interest of leaders. We must come together, and that is such a moment in the Republic of Kenya now.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Gotikana no roboti oruo kurwase Frida Kerubo kubatikana numurai bwense kurusi county yo ya Nandi ni gotogosuka abosio kuikase county ya Kakamega magega yo kabiro mukonyi bumurai wiki ya makiaudiemu musike weekly for paranya otorwa kubo muwaziri bwebiombe na boigo abonchoro ya bakabake ni gobono omoyiga buku mwaligani anka okolekana imeye county yo ya Kakamega kukwana imeye county yo nigo asabali baga gosekwa gwachinga kitunyororo elio anyare gwikirania emeremejo na bwo kubolio murai bwense ko mwachinga kinyororo na gwikirania ebiringa byaye boigo igo alieira yogo chakurwa basemia igoro yechi cooperative anene asorogo ngorwa Western Kenya igatebire boigo umuchando boko borwa kwemeremo nigora ikomo elio onye abakenya baguchia kubwatiriria na gosoa asemeremo yogwetenera yogokora gosogoso asebiombe ebiebikebike yoro roboti urwa senchira yobikirano.
Sasa mimi rais, nataka nichukue fursa hii kwanza kukushukuru sana wewe kuchukua nafasi yako kuja hapa kuungana na sisi kwa hii maombi ya siku ya leo. Vile unajua tumekuwa marafiki wa miaka mingi, lakini network ndio ilikuwa ishikani. Hiyo nikurudishia Mwenyezi Mungu asante kabisa wewe kunikumbuka na Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga kuwa mmoja wapo kwa baraza la mawaziri. Na wewe vile unajua mimi kazi nitafanya, na pia unipe nafasi ya kufanya kazi. Unajua kama unanishika mikono hivi pangine tena sitafanya kazi, lakini ukinipa nafasi nikiona ile inaenda kombo na kuja kwako kushauri, nikiona ile inaenda sawa sawa tunaendelea mbele. Na hii wizara ambayo umenipa hapa Western, watu wengi hawajui mambo ya cooperatives, na ile cooperatives chache ambazo zilikuwa hapa zilianguka. Itakuwa jukumu langu kuona ya kwamba we revive those cooperatives kusaidia watu wetu, kwa sababu mambo ya cooperatives ni kitu ya muhimu. Wananchi wanasanya pesa ya kusaidia mambo yao ya kimaendeleo, na ile wafanya biashara wale wanafanya biashara, mambo ya biashara ndogo ndogo, hiyo iko katika wizara yangu.
Buya kigima kero totigalete noroboti ronde kurwa sense mejo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii musike Paul Simbarati ujuboigo oikerana ase kaunti ya Kakamega ase omoyigo yubu kumwariga ninka mu waziri Wycliffe Oparanya nerebono nigo akwanire nagoteba buna niga serikali ebonete gwakana abasai ba Gen Z abo banyorete chingoma nabande egosiria abagimabo chingaki cyokorobekana ase kibara chingaki cyo nigatebire buna mbiya mono boigo ase abarai bonsi abange egochamo kurensemeli azimio abugasemo ye serikali eliyogokora emeremo ase obwamo boigo nigo amentire goteba buna nigo ikiama kia ODM kereteneine ni chinguru mono kigima boigo nkera aborua oburai ikiagera onye umurai wikiama kio muskera ile Odinga kagoche kugenda gucha soburai boriabwa EU bono ere na ile libagerio no gutenenia ikiama kio asinkira endonge kigima yororoboti uruo.
Sababu ya sisi kuja pamoja, wananchi walisimama, wana Gen Z wengi, na wewe mwenyewe uliongea ukasema hawa vijana ni wetu, hawa watoto ni wetu. Wale ambao walikuwa wameumia, wamekufa katika maandamano yale, serikali yako itafanya compensation. Na kuomba Mheshimiwa Rais hapa Butere, Butere tulizika mmoja hapa. Sisi viongozi hatukukubaliwa kuongea huko. Mimi, Savula, kina Boni Alwale tuliambiwa kuna kuongea hapa. Nataka niulize Mheshimiwa Rais, tunashukuru kwa sababu umeleta serikali ya umoja. Tunaomba tukielekea mbele tukue pamoja, tuijenge nchi. Hakuna nchi kama ingeenda chini, hata sisi hatungekuwa tunakaa hapa. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru kwa sababu umeamua kwamba Kenya tuwe pamoja, tuende mbele. Juzi ulikuwa kule Kisii. Mimi nataka niseme watu wa Kisii, wa Nyanza, wa Western, kama region moja lazima tusimame, tuhesabiwe. Siku nyingine mzuri hapa mbele, Mungu akipenda, ndugu zetu wa Central mmekuwa uongozini. Mheshimiwa Rais, ukimaliza kipindi chako wewe kubali hii kiti irudi pande hii. Ama namna gani? Ni wangapi wanasema namna hiyo? Nione kwa mkono.
Paraboti urugoroso mugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Simbarati kare ase county ya Kakamega rogo to ikyo mwali obwa mangana magia senkera ejubukira nu yechinse isato chimugaroba yabono kero chirigita ikemero ngibere nenye igore chinse isato chimugaroba yabono bono nigo togo so sentunde ya kabiri yumurobiri obweke umbu kuruabu entunde tangani kuru chinse ibere go ka chinse isato nigo twalenge nu mheshimiwa honorable Rachel Otundo na boigo nere tuchikogendera nere guchakira ekero twakolire ekingesiga kia mangana maya ego ikachinsa inye igoro igobono togenda hale tigana nditu eligani twere na sentunde ya kabiri elio tokorre chinkwana cheito igoro ya mangana ya magendro na boigo amangana a governance asorogongo rwogusi na boigo ime ya Kenya biamono.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi. Omwanchu muliriya bwe television ya Ndizi TV mbiyamona sukoira chinsa chao na kuliriya television yao na mbegemo yomunwa bweke gusi bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yokwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera asu twakirezimi ase namba notisano na ibere inyisato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikere riukorike ase email ya ndizitv@gmail.com. Voigo na bugotonyora ase mitandao yaito. Buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na voigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News. Nabo ogututarira sikia bisichito ekyo kirebo cy'obwekiro ya embassy ekero kogenda nyakoe asebara ekurwa Kisi kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ng'ambiya muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaito yonsi chinsemero ngeberenenge bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi veke nambeye asesemi yao enoti isano na ibere inya isatu isano nemu ibere isatu isano na isatu isano na ibere eyemo erioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora ubwoti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Ndizi TV nerekyo kwabekire simu yawe ime. Omwanchu murigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV mbiyemo sukoira chinsa chao na kurigereria television yao na mbegemo yomunwa bweke gusi bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yukwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera aso twakirezimi ase namba enotisano na ibere inya isato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikereri ukorike ase email ya ndizitv@gmail.com. Voigo na bugotonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook, YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na voigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News. Nabo ogututarira sikia bisichito ekyo kirebo cy'obwekiro ya embassy ekero kogenda nyakoe asebara ekurwa Kisi kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tugukwiraniria ng'ambiya muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaito yonsi chinsemero ngeberenenge bono onye kendegia korekanire aseke nyurukiao ekiotagete utumanye asubwango mono abwonda isi veke nambeye asesemi yao enoti isano na ibere inya isatu isano nemu ibere isatu isano na isatu isano na ibere eyemo erioto akere n'abasaki baito baikasure na kubekora ubwoti ubwo asembeo emesa yamangana maya ya Ndizi TV nerekyo kwabekire simu yawe ime.
ayumwanju wegetasini kya Ndizi TV nabo gutubwate gwetera sentere y'omutandao ya www.ndizitv.net iryo guturigireria na boigo gusonja mirubiri yaito chinsemero ngeberenanye nyaranka nabo gusonja gwetera sesimi yawe yakoboko laptop smart TV iryo wegokie Ndizi TV obwanso bwomugusi.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi.
buya bano kegimo mwanchu murigeria bwe television ya Ndizi TV magaro bengi na inde ekero ndo chinsa chia minyokire kia bere chinsa isato ne nusu chobutuko bwa rero ejine chinsa chirogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha twara kolire chintunde ibere tunde lientangani gochakara chinsa ibere gwika chinsa isato na boigo kingese kia mangana magia ko chinsa ibere gwika chinsa yango gochakara chinsa isato gwika chinsa isato ne nusu na bono twatiri taike 30 choka elinde toike asense melia ye chinsa inye ekero to koro murobirio obweke umbo onyorena ntwa onjoreria onye tomanyeti ntwa onjoreria igo to gochaka chinsa ibere twakora chinsa inye echabutuko igo twaringena mheshimiwa Rachel Tundo twarago so iriko ruchinsa ibe twakona mangana tari make amangi kegima igo bono onyi gwaiterwa chinga kina chieji so imenaye kegima elinde togendere bosio na konekia nga kwa kolire naye kwa rutire mboto bagatebanga na yurute mboto ndete kuligire ligaria online kidogo ndero sondo bekire ujumbe na rukurukuga igana Clinton Mukano igatebaligretie Mukano kurwa kia mukama kibinyanchwa entumne kibinyanchwa buonguso mama Rachel akosawa aseme tuko tayari kusimama na yeye na bagoteba igo kigima kibinyanchwa no maeto
kibinyanchwa no maeto mwana siasa na desito
igo yokorore no kurunka kabisa iga okorore enambe yesi minagotebia na bogo WhatsApp ngolgire linde WhatsApp ya nekolo ngora sena mbe yesi miebekire gorogabo elinde ndigererie none nsemeli ya Facebook na ngolgire linde simi ya nekala kolo ngora timanye tina ngikia bakigima elinde ndigererie na korona nki kegendrete mbio mono kigima mheshimiwa twarago soidia mangana mange kurwa kagise county oburaibwa bangina na kibogendrete kigima wikabono omuraibwe ense na unjoriria elia abana baba jenisi bacha bakaturwanie bintu iga mabagana atoka kuresikia makirigia ODM bakabeka abasacha banne bonsi oyo na guchumu subati uchakoso horo noyo mo odur oyo chitokobe kwa gotirira mangana yeri chiko kuligereria nero chitokoso horo yomo aene kyokurigereria ase semoye inchira basubati babekire mangana yabasubati ase mangana yobo waziri mno muraibwe nsachora na ngoro ese meye ya azimio wikara boniga mukagete na ngo mwairuri bagaliye no liseine
itani ntete goteba mno lichiko ligoteba a third 2/3 gender representation event observed
yes
Ntegete goteba nga overall asibiro kubyo CS batema abana abatuka na baroro usually ekrama bagatukira make favoritism abantu bakonyora men women bakwebwa asha kuminga kitokora bae no ne kiekam
abarobu
ne kiyo during ngringa bae no ne kiekam Bono afadhali kiekam osagocha kusisi itogaiga okungu yana bali kunyura pi bali kunyura that is what I can tell you abakungu bakutweba because into na ino muntu chitu tunyura agatobo PS independence
Uhuru Kenyatta Susan Mochache
aka make sure upikiri na kwa Susan Mochache aka kirogo osa kuligereria bonige serikali tubate bono ibiro ubiri abantu babwate umuntu bainywiri abaire kiruge ibiroge ibi akungu bakusiga His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto
okay
ero inyorete akabangina babere senator yuma the story na kwa senator bangina babere but we got to
tubwate Gloria Oruoba
ko wasi tuwatwara na
Esther Okinyuri
ko machora
babere limo
ngondo bali chisine tebire limo iko that is a plus nande nyenye taribo CS bulwa rusitwe na abantu banyora to mungiro mutangani
nero kurukwa
CS kurukunga
Omanga Millicent Omanga good
lakini ndone sinjo kwa ruto
yeah
biashara hivi karua rogontwa gokero
nkeyo yes
lakini ndete ko tabantu bwate bakaba ambassador baraba kungu
yes
mwana kitutu cha north wale baruti nyamira
okay
igo tunataka ku appreciate ngabangina
at least
bara ibirogo ngigento gyoka kiroro cyo gukumikira kyo tonya kolangira linga indi kamu na nere ubusiga
yes
ako banonyene nere abe minister because school to somete school to chiete bangina masomete just the same as men so bago tuwaro goba I don't really understand why kere ko ubusiga iga And I think a problem yetu ya kusiga is our elected leaders.
Ababare chiabisi.
Yangena noni president ikira kuroma bagaya. Especially ama bagaya yuko CS, yuko PS na yande chiparastato. Rasma consult.
Yes.
Rasma a consult.
Abori around.
A consult the elected leaders. Especially by the party.
UDA tutafanya mfano kila nere serikali tobwa mono
elected leaders ya bali kunyora lita ya mko I know even kila wale ngine say desk wale tamalieta ya bantu wangochorwa OCS after machogwa rusimu lita ya mko no MP brought a woman's name so you know the problem where and that is why we are failing the elected leaders eva kwa mukungu mata diko empower mukungu in fact not even that alone no nyo mukungu kabisa wali serious kuliki chikura bali utaka auto empower usa kuliki the women who are serious tatura aveka the very serious women bali kitu chikura unaona tena example tumo ngina bitutu
oyo koruga iga mata bonjali
tena give example tumo mheshimiwa Lilian Mogendi bara bwibiro baetu birogo lakini birogo baire Bilibal members of the board, members which board, what Tosfin, Savike, and I get members of the board.
Yeah.
This is the first time.
Okay.
About Kungoliva Girichikura. Back on your at least.
Okay.
Siga usually, about Kungwa Girichikura, Siga, Balco empowered. The Tanga Lichi couldn't talk anything on your quality group nominated. Bali bako nominated bali batari kuli biko that is why bakungwa bange bako mnyoka bachi ko nominated ati yakuli biko and kwanya bali bako nominated bali either relatives or friends neighbors whatever at the end of the day nande bago tabako biko especially in the county level in the national level aba kungwa bacho liworo they choose strong people kia baroba ko president president yako make sure nga kuirale women of value
okay
tani kuira bongo no basi ogenda ko beroro ina ile problem to what to kingo kuya ba kusiba mitonda batebi boni kana utuma itutura third
okay
yisaba ngina asebirogo biego rubio wa MP go chigo
yes
kia to ba senator iberi to watu achi women rep iberi to watu na nominated MP Nyamira so you know we have 5
oyo ndenya krario Irene Nyakirario good na nalikuli
abangina abega ndio kanda kuba bunia eke mogyo they don't fight for us women the president na acha kusiga yake nane kera bagutenda gukwana barabona amaje baguteba they don't go seba thank the president for nominating them they don't remind the president thing your excellency abangina mpali lega barubara banki badisabe tuna watu promise 50-50 representation kana abangina bandi birogo
okay
na rabaka abantu bandi bakwimoka basabira ina rab na bono aliyam I had members of parliament ali state lodge basabirete some men
okay
birogo acha baye birogo nanya korora mukungu ndikwensi nogusabirukero
mushimiwa
so ntageta kotebanga elected leaders should be ashamed because if they don't carry their women along if they don't carry their youths along then that means we are not growing together because together that dranya go Kenya Nyamira yaito na Kisii County
narora umusubati otokwa na mili ojambo mili oyo mabona iga teva ne keroro musubati webegete bya tokonyora a good office in the corner ateba go ika omuntu ra brasifu enjira gete enkonsana etabi inera ndoje nania chakire ko ira oyo oruoba yani tuli kuganyoa igwibaga go kurigiri bagerio ne kerundo kabisa elindo linyore inumuna bangine balimo mwapoliti birogo usaba subatu mwapoliti birogo ga mubwate no enkiombe kinde bali bapoliti bali babwete mukumerana egere mwana cha abandi ko simwatebya abandi ko sibali bale igalize serikali batebina ki injira nere gucia ngumere na mule elimu na cheno na bana banyaruka bake bali batake to ko no bo MC ko sobo bunge ngumere na mule mubwate nkirende
ine problem to batenne ikira inalige tikura tigichya bono this time last the other 2017
yes
garangli all women bali tikura kena rangi yo work back Kisii County.
Okay.
So that tujale gukwana tutwara no ne kiumbe. It was so bagacharimo the first time. The second time bakiti gocha. No tu agiturwa tugacha gocha kabona gusiga wana SWOT. Abana siasa bande bake. Abangina bali bake twatigarite na barabu.
Okay.
Na babo Mheshimiwa Lilian Mogendi. So tugacha kwanda ko civil society tugacha korosia with others because women leaders, many of them batageti, I don't know why they don't like association.
Okay.
Enyinge na many women. They value bago value the people who have seats.
Okay.
So if you have no seat, obarangiri bako ranga tuba tinguru.
Okay.
That is it. Kiaranga kijega tu rangiriti abno bal tu rangiriti. Paka bali elected then. But they didn't come. But you gocha. Yo mobile ka Mheshimiwa Janet Ungera utumeta apology. So in a problem to tuara. Like in the what we do, some of us know
yes.
We are also mentoring the young people who are coming up.
Okay.
Muna there is a lady called Julie Nyamau.
Julie Nyanchama.
What I can tell you, Njoma yene go kumona chandi. Njoma ko mentor and she can even tell you that she can even attest to that. I'm trying to mentor her. Yeah, she's willing.
Because I get it.
Anything ida kura akini at least nimbo ade ndoreje da makonye adu make step get ta ko enda the way I want.
Yeah, that's right.
That is it. It is also a shame that the women bali ba kuri birogo bosbanyo ri birogo bali to nanga ben bali ba kungu
muisaranse
kuna boni gantu arra Mheshimiwa Donya ukugirwa ingati
yalinge gusia
ngataka nje is my voice
otebe yaya
support lakini ngabona she has never even talked to me na manyesi in the first place atanya ko manya why should I bother to defend arrange ngakira ngaranga bano it really does not make sense
bona abno nanti kucha ekero Donya ari kuogerera garia tango linda bangi na muaje tumna inu mwabole tekero geke na bangi na bandi muichorea mu kabisa mugikirie gekorwe ikikigima kigima tabana aroje mbali bako banere. The rest of you mwarengo andi yake moji
we were not there ikiagera romo nyene abangi nawe problem bagutwa once by the ronjinyi mungu na bika nyorite wirite kero bakanyora nga ntororo na ndo tokwanera Janet
ongera
ngirana bali gutokwanera o gutokwanera no gukwana bakora gukwani byoro lakini yo iga Donya tane gutukwa. I think it's because ya myaka haina myaka akuri abantu banoro na ya elderly maybe utiga ukwara abantu belewe ya probably lakini abantu belewe itume pine myaka akuri ya really don't understand kigana no murai she's elected she's above us ikona kwenda to go atu someone in the atu tell
chungo to kwane
what is this we need
the
nominated unfortunate that even those ladies were nominated Kisii County tana ratiga irin kunyamira Kisii County ababeri na barabu youths, you know, they are youths. They have also never talked to us. There are people you can call, they even don't pick your call. So when you look at them, what is that? Is it because they are
tango na buba ko batebi na chinti ebintu mbere go chia osebaba ruanerera na inu munyore na imposition ikira muriska kiramba manyete naki mwabwate potential kindi kira ko bana mwari kubwa
I've nominated every time president goes around. What they only do is to thank the president for giving them a seat. They don't care about any other women who are out there fighting and struggling. And let me tell you, some of us women, some of us men, that is the undoing. We are here, we went to school properly. Land economics from the University of Nairobi.
Yes.
I'm a member of the Institution of Surveyors of Kenya.
Yes.
Lakini tuko ndio. Wani limo na njina nyako kukende kunaka chalete ko ligichukura 2013. Nobody has ever powered me. Jena yako unonga talikare gonzo na serikali ndia ka nchoko rako. Abako tenga witiriri timu.
Icho beta.
That is it. So in Chema, I think if at all I'll ever get anything, I'll get it maybe directly. Direct. Kuru someone to go outside Kisii.
Okay.
Kiagara ntu konya. No one to amota biga. Konya to what is yes. Kurinya riba. Of education.
Yeah.
Achora bangina ibirogo various. Achora bangina ibirogo ani yinga keyboard school. Akuna mwana mkali weka hata moja. Kutoka Nyaribari Sagoro. It did not remember any woman. Forget about me or but any woman. So you start wondering, what is this? Who are are a few from other regions. The king of constituency. In Yariba, I don't know. I don't understand. So we have a problem because we don't get empowered. We have no. So we wonder, is it because we're not shareholders?
Do you fight your way up? Umai di siasa ye? Ntogo cha kuisaransa iga. Siasa ye ikira segete etegete na yogo bulldoze. Mo kagesieri obwata no montebi gotikichoso enyomba. Inwe n'abasubati go bulldoze muri mwaso ekegera yaro kaninga nisegi. Nona baraya babacholi barobis bonum na migos mura yo chole tumoye. No mon tolende ayinkwalenge UDA.
Yes.
Together with him.
Yes.
I know you people know each other.
Yes.
Can you make a call? For the sake of Kurwaner, Omai Muno Konyora, Guruan Rora, Ayeno Mokoro, Quavere se field ye. Muno Konyora, was what the Baukuliria, Kurusea.
Yes.
Nabarungo Gorama, this thing is possible.
Yes.
Onyo Yonyorete, Nanjira Bon Konyora, but the Baukuliria, Barrapoigo.
Yes.
Onya ya to Kurwane. Mate aye whatever no elderly Kobuana no Mudonya, Nonya Osia Kenyuri, Nonya Oruoba, Nonya Irene Mayaka.
Yes.
Can you give some sense of direction? Can you tell these people so original anybody by Gorogali?
Let me tell you where the problem is.
Yes.
A problem near Linga. Umontorangi, I remember a president in Article. You got to reach this kind of seat. And what did they do? I want to elected. They said no. Oh yeah. They say this one no. You know that consultation. They go to Twitter. So we are asking even from wherever, even being a godfather, godmother.
Yeah.
They are from wherever because they will not assist us. You know, the council of elders. Who are fighting. Because you see council of elders, elders, have they ever come up to fight for us? So some of us have been fighting.
Have you raised questions?
What am I doing? This is a question I'm raising.
You can do a letter. Or you can do a letter which is over questioning a key. I am questioning your na kimo mwibo yangete ekiagara ndoche na according to me munyorete basubati ekiagara community yabagusi ko ba hold here very high ese ko be ko musubati yo mali go sebabere at least
banyoire tintabetinga banyoire tintabetinga they were nominated 3 of them.
Okay.
You got that means banyoire by the party yoga by Raila party leader.
Yes.
Uri ndakama bali bande bakanyuru by our president bangina babere. There were the various women but in various boards. To what could Chalimaro, very many of them, to what could Chal, to what could Getut, to what could Machog, to what could was.
Okay.
That is where we have a problem. Yalibari, and to what the problem, not what is CS. Because he was giving him time, we will talk to him.
Yes.
I give you an talk. That to direct from the president. CS, that's what I can tell you. You go into what a problem.
Okay.
Because in Sagunyora, in your university, the vice chancellor, university. To go into what I am. Simba Tiana, they were let me talk about Yaribari Cano, no one. Anybody by your Tabari. We requested, I even raised my voice. Acting vice chancellor of my mega university.
Yes.
Why don't you also confirm? He didn't. He left the office before he did. He did not even say whether he was going to do it or not. So I think there's something amiss when it comes to women. And some of us, it's not within Yaribari. I'd be come from Bogetutu or Gurgunjari or Bubas, we could be somewhere so high, another level.
What do you think is the problem?
And then until because let me tell you, remember Nyariba not what men tangan. Into about the late Honorable Nyachai. Eleto na rebonya chae akonyete many women to be councillors. Utangani akaba nominate anda akachaka bakonya.
Anda akaba na abwatu muno.
Bakonya bakabe elected.
Okay. Abuno alikuwa banga baraya banene ko babwatu ko boko. Cleo Manga.
Akaba Cleo Manga akaba. The late Onyonga also assisted many other women who also got nominated. I want to compare the Chimea to Katwara, who are women.
Yeah. Yes.
But these leaders, the current crop of leaders we have, I don't know that they are fear of the unknown. Like, what the problem, because they don't fight for the women folk.
Okay.
And the women who are there, they want to be alone. Hawataki wengine pia wafanya nini? Waingie.
Okay.
So when I'm speaking like this, ngora kwana ngaba ngora tevino ne president no through media ngaki 50-50 representation but you are the one who say it from your mouth. Give us.
Okay.
So you go to another one. It's not that we are not speaking. Let me ask you a question. Mutamadrecho tundo, she's a fighter. Gusiye yengiwa. How come these people have said that has empowered her? There are many other women who have struggled who have been struggling.
Yes.
There are women who have been struggling. Why are they not being uplifted so they can be able to the other women who are struggling? And nobody really cares about these women. So the thing is, Boniga, we are counting on that. We are also counting on what is the NADICO report about the third gender rule.
Yeah.
So we believe that things are going to be different. And the way to one amesa ramokiri. Chenisi kwanza aramukia banta maiso anda bantu boniga bawo tukuligia bantu bawo tukulinda mali.
Okay.
Kali abawo tukuiba mali. And you know women are better than men.
Asoko kolega.
Asoko kunga mali, we are very good.
Yes.
Asoko kunga, asoko manage more than the men are. That is why I look at
yes. Abuso governor na rora mu women rep we county ya Nyamira kagotebanga entunde yego ya 2017 tego chikoboli bo women rep na taito koboli opo governor. Do you think it's any different from Nyamira na Kisiga? Kose no does naba gusi vinto bira change elsewhere.
You know the thing is,
yeah,
the more and more women come up ndobo ata no njuli nyamao nero tawanguli ya robo governor. The more women no more na uligeti I am people of Cynthia.
Yo kurumante no
a youth
mata.
A youth lady. Not
engineer.
Not north. To church.
South. Engineering. Good. That's right.
I was so happy. And every time I kept mentioning her name. Ngina ko mukwana ili Italia. Kiaro said na bana ba baiseke. But there is no way we to be elected but I get chikura.
Yes.
The more women to go to kuligia biro to second women rep. The more to go to kuligia MP, the more to kuligia senator, the more to kuligia women, the more to kuligia MCA, the more the electorate bako ba used to us.
Okay.
Bachako to chora. Ikiana na wasasa bakuligia, there are so many.
Yeah.
Mate kura ko kuligia and konyora is not a 1+2.
Na ko so
it is a struggle. So I'm telling the women, let us keep struggling. Even me, let me tell you, some of us are there to stay.
Okay. I like that. You know what okay. Yes, I'm going to Aruba. Yes. We can't go back. No Arabo, my Caramone. Lakini, the what attendance in Kate Munto Temire. Oh no women rep sabasubati ulpanyoli county ya Kisi ndi molimo taiwa Nyamira na baba irora kabiri county ya Kisi ga ko women rep taiwa limo
yes
yeah sabasubati ko maintain power maite musubati no Janet krari nkoro igachakire to kuru DM gotira baka chakabe women rep isn't it the moment ya bwese krogo
I want to tell you the problem here.
Oh, Henry Chunguru.
Janet, Anyoro MP, Tanganana na hali kiroko. Kiroko kibo women rep, the key problem is usiye. Watu haweki umuhimu kwa hiyo kiti. Bantu bali kubeka value, which is kiroko ekyo. And they even don't care. Watu kiroko kiki wako chukura abantu once. And then they don't care, they don't even follow what the woman rep does. You understand it?
Yeah.
So when they don't do that, I want no problem here. One which and one women rep, they go about the social issues. Konya bantu chibasa bagende byombe kora keke ibintu gete utachi kunyara kumbe bitari mesharebo buja uranyara komesha. That is why donya atamiri kuru kwa bangina chibasa byombe bakorere gasi chibasa basari uchire ngana macha korose yani byo ino nyawo te batanga karose simagete sinanyale koira chikura again.
Tigangobolia.
Yes.
Ngikara totobwati bangina bali party leaders. Why can't you come up with your party? Muchake byumbe bino na inwe murigiya abantu the same way men bagokora. Ekigara mucho kuganyerera nga mu be kugahiga, it is becoming difficult.
Yes.
Come up with a party. June nene party. Ekara abantu bakorangirwe mesa na nyalebe chipati kya gusi Recho Tundo na ye no leime ne party yawo na inde through that way no nyora ba MCA no nyore no na babunge egere enyameli kubagwa Recho Tundo ngiyali bantu bawo ngayibali
ono tiganara gutebia where the problem is.
Yes.
Litangani asi problem iri chipati chinke bantu bagusiga bali kujivali buja ine ri problem ngero.
Look at Martha Karua.
Ine Martha Karua no ere party yae muna bona tabati mubunge ngono ujinge ki problem nero abakireni baro bakutema na jaribu lakini nturu bari barabu ngale bachakire ntuge yo gusi itangani nyono ko wikiro gasi kane party mukungu abantu bachaka
Braya, agora vai igual.
What I want to say, on the major parties, it is major or most popular parties. All these major parties, 2027. From there, we have succeeded and made our name, then it will become possible for us to go ahead and have our parties. Yes.
Mundrara ko teba muligirina ko teba kibati Mheshimiwa Recho nere tigamanya na bomachoge ntuanya konyora minister korwa ese akenye toka igotali nyaliba alioka na barago jinyaliba ali baro banyora ba minister baro banya konyora pi korwa ese etongo igo mutura ke
banya konyora bo minister lakini I was talking about female minister konyora tuense
igo gusiki matonya konyora lakini egento bondo
banya konyora bo maina
niki maine ne baro nere nkolera ali gai
independence baro let them fight next time they get
nere banyore bono ndoje chinse jetu jachiri kidaga kitigarte ibere tukore chinse nye cha bono botuko egento te kubolia mono asamangana yo basubati ikiagera no murobeli yoyo igoro open to everybody lakini usokolera basubati bago chana bake sana some of them go barangeli bateba perhaps botuko bagocha kose bagwanchirwa kose yani bali bangi abana ko bate by they don't na kiore onye media houses mnechigo kwarangirikwa for meetings gochokobeka mangana MS gora abantu bagoiwe you don't come igorende abasubati karamo na barobo bakwanire kabisa batebe na ekera na barobo batayitiribaga bose batagete go soka gocisiko tikabara kera baigure geturi kya bugire na barobo basoka batagete ko basupport lakini mbayo so bakwanire tafadhali
we will do that abugo kwanira anda basubati butambe muna tikatuwa bamo antu atema gukwana kwa yaoni antu atema ku give our opinion problem is what we tabanki ke ba kusiba bwate fear of the unknown oneka lokubuli guliswali gete gote te ko bwa because I belong somewhere so therefore I cannot be able to do what to speak that is where the problem is muntakuwa wanongo chini ko victimized bono to tabanga kiya chombe nchanya kemogi lisuri yomo
sasa kuma paraga
that's what I should say so ndagete ko teba yaba swati barbo bitangani bali buntoli bange tikaba imukire ono na tebanga ne chipati chiko chiko basubati bacha kolijiro tikaba basubati bimukire guru this is the time no na basubati amuli biro I challenge all these women mo abere nominated ali mo aligiri bo women rep yanda ligiri biro gi ngabon tikera bani na baro bali gi bo women rep that is what I should na cherusha I want to support her tikage na ligi bo governor I am there with her tikage gi bo governor atigirna mukungu onde nerabe women rep
Yeah.
arabunta gete goteba abasubati gabatenene imara toligi birogo nandi birogo byospe kirogo ngiyo tokobwa I think na dinate banga mindset basubati bakaito women rep ndaisi rero na batebinga is the hardest seat depending on where you are coming from.
Yeah.
Igonda gete gotebia banga na batenene sing enjoy constitution yani richiko wanongo to favor ile 2027.
Okay.
That is what I should say and we should be brave. Toch abang na very brave.
Yeah.
Bago chaga ikamuna wono na te bango njenya comment ando mwana moko
Julie ngojali
those women
Julie
who are interested ba chene njenda ra ba ko le mungu anaboke.
Yes.
I am ready to deal with them, to talk with them and assist them on what to do. Baru sio woba ba che studio
bakuwa na mangana
studio nere na bora ache igongende
gokore gogo ikomenga yote ne inebiye ko ligere ne gogo bekama ngana
problem yaba ngina bangi they don't do research usiko nyora bangi bali gotegera news bali kumanya current affairs
bamanya nankikengendrete
to tell the women of Busia bali bakulige birogo if you are a politician number 1 go ikomanye current
affairs
wikumanya ube kama toiga unga yese gocha ngaitoko yes in the local level uchakero local level ari
ekenyorogotira
bakomanya paka the national level and international muna wono
ponoroje
the president
ya America yes Kamala Harris yes
so we are there waiting wono jengwa muna wono ngo nane ngurundega yana rero muna kole campaign ya enda arabe
ora ligeri kabisa
muna kole campaign and that is very
ochangeru chibesa chinyinge sana naenda achaka juzi
mobilization esengencho nera abwato munwo abwana byono munwo bwata bangana munwo bwato muya so munwo muyoru osyo serere abangenda kumuranje bali bokuri gibi
basoke
compete no jamna basaba bwato munwo muya babo soro bahage to munwo kweli
ndahurera bako bage bintu
abangina bakaba muraba kega bakakira munwo amabwate
yes
these days babwate so I believe that to wa ko munwo yoito nale to rusio bwoba bwibwira
nabo mukunyara nabe koikira
so bona bangina bange bamanyi no bayibuli kurira na twakwana kurira
yes
bali kurama to current affairs
baligereria
content because to go chaga studio if you don't have content
go tra ko boli swali atanga na nda mangana akumye bantu 10 ko ne aliganiti
nanu mondege ne ngaki ige gatali examination yugo mapelwa igega ukwanza according to your thoughts
nande batebiga mbakobwa nabo muntu kumutumira no ni questionnaire kono seligwa mabori aye gutrimbo kaiga akore research yaye gagoche tumuburi according to the elinde ko ba moyo batware chinguru ni bakore
bono no kwatebire kora boigo kora gozi them
ate besoki
mwebange just to demokwa
George Nyandusi from Masongo huyo Recho Tundo anatetea watu sana anafaa na akona ufahamu sana wa uongozi na ana upaguzi kwa mtu yeyote na mjua vizuri yamono kigima na batebire igo emagoroba yabona ndoje chinsa cyarire twabere cyigire chinsenye ne chi dakika inye igoroiga ingana yayo moerio ese dakika ya moiga kurigirye kamererie ndito sok kurwa
ingana ane moerio igonkuburia president itu ya Kenya pamoja na serikali ya ngima na parliament ngima bali nchira muno mwana mu Kenya ausoma especially as a university tigaba na bana batembere chimpa support ba consolidate chibesa chiri chonsi chikona chipasa lyao barusi chonsi pi
serikali jitwale
chonsi pi
ebeke free education
ebeke chise university tonyole ebeke universities tonyole free education umwana eramna ko akokora form 4 erega akora ngirwe university otebanero nero okolire kwere fefa so gweta wendo chonero sanugusa abali ba ko tertiary institutions baroba yakuchipasa rimwe bako baji basari I think they give them basari reasonable very reasonable banyole basari echo linde from there asome complications ye university and college cheguro otute kutwara bana batabwati class you don't want mwana rusama ayo kurumo chumotaka ayo kurubo munda ayo kurukiti abana bagenda baba babika
barushya mangana yiji band si chibako benga
igen tugeltua wate kare kyale ngene university kwa na kwa we boom kwa uchiba somo ndiko sia kwa twa kana twa speed onde yukomanya who comes from where. Education is an equalizer and we don't want to lose that focus. Njaina ro ngoteba na nente abantu baitu bali bategera libonsi abantu baitu ba Kenya muno bugimo bwa kongirega eba goteba ngekero bugimo bwa kongire ekero wate me chando ari osoma ebintu gochusio gaiga igonyo bugimo bwa kongire kwerekerera yo ligenjere ngawe korosi basinyo konyo korosi kurwara ari menta gendo kenda kende in the process economy yo kabo byanyo na boro gwe boostiri wachiri bro. Let us not give up, let us keep working. Let us continue to go to let's keep falling forward. Because lazima tuishi, lazima tukule, lazima watoto wetu waende shule, tujaribu na sisi, tuende ngote bana mondolio tabaka tie nyumba, ubate nyumba ya maomo. Lakini ya maoma okoligere ko monto imeke bao ime, na aya nyasa kurwe mburabosa, orwa mache bosa. Orwa marabosa amaraba ya bosa na macha bosa le mbule bosa tumia omenyomba isikali zole simekeje tichakiao aye boka boki anu muntu yasa konya ani bukuneli kile era akoraki boka boki. Kwa hivyo kila mmoja wetu ajaribu na tunatoli gavana siasa tunachikaza kutafuta pesa ya kura. It is not 1+2.
Tego chiko kwa baba.
Na ni ndio mimi jina ali tukura jua siana ngatumia tena kura na nana ko empowered. But I'm still struggling.
Onyore.
So that I'm there 2027 until I get the seat.
Biamano kigima soko cha magoroba yabono. Mwancho murigeri chaberi de kaisano na iseto igoro yichinsa inye chubo tuko bwa rero. Muro buri bweke umbu mna twachenche tochaka chinsa ibere twakura chinsa inye elinde bari batebete nga chinsa chirisano nenusu okalire nigo konyora gwa kararire. Kobono twakire biamano sengenjo mwishimi wachire gahigali tukoria rero na twagosoiri twakwanira berata twiga muro buri bweke umbu norongorori bagoche saba subati tagiya bagakaboka tugenda koreta gaiga bana siasa libagariro lindirororo na baro bacha babeka amangana abo ndiri batata getigoche rakide libagariro lindirororo elinde na baro buo bacha berwa nerere elinde bachorwe babe nyore birogo bya guchigoro biamano kigima asinginjo ko bananche kurutoga chagete chinse chibire hikabono chinse inyene gidaika ange kianda chabeire tikana ndeto kole iga wiki gocha litukule Jumamosi chinsa guchakira ibere gwika chinse nya tunalenge njibweka twalenge na Abigail kurwensemo ya kabere na boigo Lydia Mose kurwensemo yimanyilio goikira gaiga goikana inde weekend biamano kigima incheni gonkuru kwa John Kibati shimo
biamano John
biamano
thank you for